Chatting with GPT-3, a primer on the newest AI chatbot. Chatting with GPT-3 is the newest way to interact with an AI chatbot. GPT-3 is an artificial intelligence system that has been designed to generate human-like conversations. GPT-3 can be used to answer questions, give advice, and even hold a conversation with users. In this video, we will explore the basics of GPT-3 and how to get started with it. We will discuss how GPT-3 works, its advantages and disadvantages, and tips on how to make the most out of your conversations with GPT-3. What is GPT-3? GPT-3 is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is the latest in a series of pre-trained AI models that use a deep learning technique known as transformer networks. GPT-3 has been trained on a massive amount of data and can generate natural language responses to questions or prompts. GPT-3 is capable of understanding and responding to complex tasks such as question answering, machine translation, and summarization. It also has the ability to generate text with contextually relevant information. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for creating personalized experiences for users. GPT-3 is quickly becoming one of the most popular AI chatbot technologies on the market and is revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing chatbot powered by AI that was developed by OpenAI, a research lab based in San Francisco. Founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman in 2015, OpenAI's mission is to promote the responsible development of artificial general intelligence in a way that benefits all of humanity. The ChatGPT system was first released in 2020 and has since become one of the most advanced AI-based chatbot systems available. It has been used for many different applications, including customer service, virtual assistants, customer support bots, and more. How does GPT-3 work? GPT-3 is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI, a research lab founded in 2015. The model is built on a deep learning algorithm known as a transformer, which uses large amounts of text to generate natural language responses. When a user inputs text into the chatbot, GPT-3 looks for patterns within the text and tries to identify the intent of the user's message. After analyzing the text, the chatbot will generate a response based on the patterns it has identified and its understanding of the context. GPT-3 can also make use of external data sources such as Wikipedia, which allows it to give accurate answers to questions that require knowledge of facts outside of its trained dataset. This makes GPT-3 more versatile than many other AI chatbots, allowing it to handle a wide variety of queries from its users. What are the benefits of using GPT-3? GPT-3 is a powerful AI chatbot technology that offers many advantages over traditional chatbots. With GPT-3, conversations are more natural and engaging, as the AI can understand context and provide relevant information in response to questions. It can also learn over time, becoming smarter and more accurate with each conversation. GPT-3 also has a huge potential for customization, allowing users to fine-tune the chatbot to fit their needs. This means that businesses can create unique experiences that better match their customers' preferences. GPT-3 also offers the ability to scale quickly and cost-effectively. Since the AI is hosted on the cloud, businesses can access it anytime, anywhere. And since there is no need for manual maintenance or coding, GPT-3 allows companies to invest their resources into other areas of their business. In addition, GPT-3 provides an opportunity for companies to gain valuable insights from customer conversations. By analyzing conversations, businesses can better understand customer needs and behaviors, leading to improved customer experience and increased sales. Overall, GPT-3 provides an effective way for businesses to interact with their customers in a natural and engaging way. With its ability to learn, customize, scale quickly, and provide valuable insights, GPT-3 is an attractive option for businesses looking to leverage AI technology. Companies can use GPT-3 to automate customer service processes, such as providing answers to frequently asked questions, handling inquiries and complaints, and collecting feedback. AI can also be used to optimize marketing campaigns by targeting audiences based on specific interests and demographics. AI can even be used to personalize content and generate targeted messages based on user behavior. As AI continues to evolve and become increasingly accessible, GPT-3 is set to revolutionize how businesses engage with their customers. How can I get started with GPT-3? GPT-3 is an AI technology that makes it easy to create intelligent, conversational chatbots. To get started with GPT-3, you need to first create an account on the OpenAI website and then choose a plan. The plans are broken down into 3 categories: Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. Once you have created your account and chosen a plan, you can begin to configure and customize your GPT-3 chatbot. You can select the bot's name and language, as well as customize its personality and conversational style. You can also decide which topics or areas of conversation the bot should respond to and what types of conversations it should avoid. Once your GPT-3 chatbot is set up and ready to go, you can begin testing it out. You can try out different conversation scenarios to see how your AI responds to them. If the bot's responses aren't accurate or satisfactory, you can adjust its settings and continue to test until you are satisfied with the results. You can also integrate your GPT-3 chatbot with other services, such as websites and mobile applications. This will allow your AI to interact with customers and potential clients in real time, allowing for a more personalized customer service experience. Overall, GPT-3 makes it easy to create and customize your own AI chatbot. With some experimentation, you'll be able to create an AI that meets your needs and provides an excellent customer service experience. Is ChatGPT dangerous? ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is the latest AI chatbot technology created by OpenAI. It has been lauded as a revolutionary step in the evolution of artificial intelligence. But with such advanced technology, there are bound to be questions about whether or not it is dangerous. The short answer is no. ChatGPT is not inherently dangerous. The technology itself does not contain malicious code, and the data it uses to learn and respond to queries is pre-screened for safety. It is important to note, however, that the safety of any AI chatbot is only as good as its data source. If there is malicious code or content present in the training data, then this could theoretically be learned and passed on by the chatbot. The main risk associated with ChatGPT is that users may not realize they are interacting with an AI and not an actual human being. They may disclose personal information that they would not share with another person, and this could potentially lead to cybersecurity threats. To help mitigate this risk, it is important for users to understand that ChatGPT is indeed an AI, and for companies to include disclaimers and notifications when using the technology. Overall, ChatGPT is safe to use in most cases, as long as its data sources are trustworthy and users remain aware of the fact that they are talking to an AI. With proper safety protocols in place, ChatGPT can be used for entertainment and productivity purposes without introducing any major risks. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below and subscribe to the button. Also hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.